Let's make a super easy and delicious cottage cheese strawberry pudding that's also healthy and low on calories. Perfect for satisfying that sweet tooth if you're trying to lose some weight. For this job, an immersion blender works best. Put all ingredients in a bowl, mix it a bit before you start the blender to avoid the sweetener flying around, then blend as fuck until the mixture is perfectly smooth, like yoghurt. Adjust with more sweetener if needed. This one turned out perfect, so no need to add more. If you have extra strawberries, you can make a simple puree by mashing them with the sweetener. Spoon it over the cottage cheese and refrigerate for a few hours. Once it's cold, it will firm up a bit.